Thank you for checking out our QuickBooks integration module for ActiveCollab 3. To install QuickBooks Web Connector, simply Google QBWC, and the first result on the Utility website should be it. So this is the download link. This is how Web Connector looks like when it's running. Now you can see this QuickBooks is running with the sample company Hockey School. Next, we add a connection from the module to the Web Connector, so the Web Connector will know where your ActiveCollab is. Go to the module page, click Download button to download the connection descriptor file. Here you can specify a password. Then run the download file. Web Connector will recognize the descriptor and create a connection. Now you have the connection created. Here you can re-enter the password. You can save it, so next time you don't need to re-enter it. Now we need to set up the job type mapping. All time records in ActiveCollab has a job type field. Some organizations may call it time code. We can map job type to QuickBooks service item to bill client and payroll item to pay your employees. Now we want to do the mapping. Go to the job mapping tab. We want to map project management and design all to consulting and bookkeeping to a dedicated bookkeeping service item. Now we can see we have three companies. Chocolate Factory and Fountain Factory are clients. We now go to the QuickBooks Export Company tab. We can put these companies in queue. Now the Web Connector can pull the data from ActiveCollab. This module also have logs of what have been created. We go back to the QuickBooks, we can see the new clients are created. Now our system also have three projects, two for the Fountain Factory and one for the Chocolate Factory. We can also export those. Connector can import these projects as jobs under each customer. You can see in QuickBooks they are under the correct customer. Now let's enter a time and try export it to QuickBooks. We go to the project and go to time. We log a time of design, 2 hours. Now let's put the time record in the queue. The module shows a failure because we don't have this employee set up in QuickBooks yet. This module makes the assumption that all the employees are already set up in QuickBooks. Let's create the employee now. One thing to notice here, if you have payroll enabled, you have to check or uncheck this checkbox to be able to import any time records. Now let's do that again. You can see this time the time record was imported successfully. Let's go to the timesheet in QuickBooks to verify that. We can find the new employee. We can see the 2-hour time record was imported under the correct customer and job combination.